looking at the trend trading asset for trading boom and crash. Okay, that is what we will be looking at in today's video. It's not going to be a single video, but I will try as much as possible to break it down and to make it well detailed so that you guys will understand how to go about it. Okay, it is an opportunity for you to have days coming on the channel, on the public channel, because you guys, it's a kind of full training for you guys to know how to take advantage of the trend in order to trade boom and crash successfully. So before we go fully into that, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. If you are new on this platform, this is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how we can trade successfully and make some money for ourselves within the forex niche. All you just need to do is just to take your time to browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips, make sure you understand everything shared there, and make sure you practice and perfect your skill first on your demo account before you try them out on your real account. This is very, very important. And of course, if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And if you have any question at all, or you want to know more about my trading strategies, or maybe you want to know more about my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact is are displayed on the screen, and I'll be dropping them in the description box below this video. Okay guys, quickly, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, then you are missing a lot. All you need to do to be a subscriber is to check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also turn on the notification bell to all notifications. That way you will all be notified whenever I post a training video like this. You will all be notified whenever I post a training video like this. So let's go straight into what we have for today. Like I said, it's going to be a unique topic which has to do with the trend. It is the trend trading strategies for trading boom and crash. Okay, the reason for this is that I've gotten so many messages from my subscribers about this. They said they need more explanation on how they can take advantage of the trend, most especially for those that are using the QDC scraper trading indicator. Okay, most of you do not know that there are three indicators on that chart. Okay, so three indicators that can show you, okay, let me put it this way, three trend trading indicators on the chart. Okay, so that's that can help you to identify the trend easily, that can also help you to trade within a certain time frame successfully. So I'm going to show you these three trend indicators, and I'm also going to show you how you can take advantage of them one after the other and use it to milk the market successfully. Okay guys, but before then, let me quickly say this. Okay, these two assets are trend trading assets. Okay, the boom and the crash, both of them are trend trading assets. Okay, you just need to understand the right trend to use in order to trade them successfully. If you are not very sure of the right trend, then you might not be able to trade them successfully. For instance, for boom, if the market if you are trying to sell boom, which is the normal movement of boom, then the market must be on downtrend. Okay, it must be downtrend. But for crash, if you are trying to trade the normal movement of crash, which is the buy movement, then the market must be on uptrend. Okay, if you are trying to trade the spikes for boom, then the market must be on uptrend. Okay, the market must be on uptrend. But if you are trying to trade the spikes in crash, the market must be on downtrend. So once you are able to identify all these, then you will know the right time to trade it successfully, because you will be able to identify your support and your resistance levels to know the one to go with. Okay, and also from there you will be able to identify your entry points and your exit points. Okay, and your exit point. So this is very easy to do. So with this formula drawn on the board, then we will be going to the chart right away to understand how to put all this into use. Okay, for instance, for your boom, when you are trading the normal trend, it must be on downtrend, but when you are buying crash, it must be on uptrend. When you are trading the spikes in boom, it must be on uptrend. Then when you are trading the spikes in crash, it must be on downtrend. Okay, so once you are able to identify these trends, then definitely you will be able to know your support and resistance level, and your support and resistance level will give birth to your entry point and your exit point, which will help you to achieve your goal. Okay, it will help you to achieve your goal, which is to make profits. Okay, to make profits. It will help you to achieve your goal, which is to make profit. So that is all you need in order to trade this asset successfully. So let's go straight to the charts to see how we can do this. Okay, this is my QDC trading, QDC scraper indicator. Okay, normally you can use any indicator, and you can also if you are also very good with your technical analysis, you don't need any custom made indicator like this. You can just use the system indicator just to do a few confirmations. Okay, it's not compulsory you get a custom made indicator like this. Okay, but if you want to make it very easy for yourself, then you can go for the custom made indicator, so that your analysis can be perfected and it can make your work very easy and smooth. Okay, so that is it. So with this, like I said, there are three different trend indicator on this chart. The first one is on the main chart, which is the 4 MA candles. Okay, the 4 MA candles, when the market is on uptrend, it is green. When the market is on downtrend, it is brown. Okay, just the way you have seen it. Okay, the second indicator, trend indicator, is the Damjan indicator. Okay, right here, when the market is on uptrend, it is green. The peak of the uptrend is when it has the highest bar, the longest bar. Okay, then when the market is on downtrend, that is when it is red. Okay, so that is the way it works. Okay, then the last indicator, which is the QDC trend scraper. Okay, when the market is green, it is on uptrend. When the market is red, it is on downtrend. And this also comes with an arrow that shows you, that alerts you earlier before the trend starts changing from one trend to another. Okay, so that way you will be prepared for it. Okay, so I'm going to tell you the difference between these three indicators and how you can use them. Okay, the first one and the second one, which is the 4 MA candles and the Damjan, both of them works together. They are for short-term trend. They show you the short-term trend. Okay, that is within a certain period to a period, within a very short time, then the trend is in that direction, while the last one, the QDC trend scraper, shows you a trend for a very long time, which means in between days there will be reversal. There will be a lot of reversal in price action. You even think that it is going to eat up all your trading capital, but it will still get you back to profit. So if you are trying to trade for a very long time, you can follow this. Okay, and this one will alert you earlier in order for you to get prepared for the trend. Okay, for the general trend. So how do we use it? So I will be starting with the short ones. Okay, with the short trend indicators. Okay, so I'm starting with the 4 MA candles. The 4 MA candles is an amazing indicator that helps you to know the trend of the market. It also helps you to know your support and resistance level, and it can also be used to trade the breakout. Okay, it has all these three features added together to it, because it is a moving, I used to call it is a moving support and resistance indicator. Okay, it is a moving support and resistance indicator because it moves alongside with the price action. Okay, to show you the support and the resistance of that particular assets. Okay, so that is it. So I'm going to show you some of these, but let me first of all focus on the trend. Okay, so this is how you can use it to trade it successfully. You can see when the 4MA candles turns from brown to green right here. That is when the price action cut above the 4MA candles. At that stage, you can buy. You can see this is 5 minutes time frame. At this stage, you can buy to this level. That is 15 candles. 15 times 5 is amazing, isn't it? So that is how you can use it. Okay, so let's check out again. And like I said, it serves as four breakout actions. Okay, which means once it's cut across it, there is a breakout happening around there. There is a breakout happening around there. So once that is once it is happening that way, then that means there is a breakout. So the market is on uptrend at that point. Then you can easily come in and pick up your first candle, second candle, third candle if you like. So you can easily make like you make some profits just being in the market for the next 5, 10, 15, or even 20 minutes sometimes. This time around, it actually gave us 11 candles before it got to this resistance level. 11 candles times 5, that is 55 minutes, almost 1 hour. So let's see more. Let's see more. Check out here also, it broke out from here and it went up straight to this level. This actually gave us 19 candles. Okay, it gave us 19 candles. That is 19 times 5 minutes. Okay, that will give you the total amount of minutes spent in the market. So each time it breaks out, then you can easily come in and trade the assets successfully. Let's see more. Let's see more. Here is another one. You can see it breaks out from here and it gave us 16 candles above it. Okay, this is amazing, isn't it? So most of you don't know that there are different ways. This particular setup is having different features that can help you to trade your assets successfully. Okay, you can even decide to focus on the breakout on this chart that supports the trend. For instance, this major trend, that is the general trend, is down, so you can easily go for the sell signal. Once it has broken out from here, you come in and trade it. You can see it came for a very long time. You can see this actually gave us 43 candles. So let's see more. Check out here, this also gave us how many candles? 19. You can imagine that. So let's see this also. Check out the breakout that happened here to this level. This actually gave us 19 candles also. Let's check another one. Here is another one to this level where the trend came to an end. That is 25 candles. You can imagine that. So you can use it. You can say that the trend that supports, the signal that supports the general trend makes it stronger than the opposite trend. So you can use it to trade your assets successfully. Let's check out crash. Okay, let's check out boom. We've spoken. We've tried with the what's it called, with the crash indicator, crash asset. So let's check out boom asset. Okay, right here the market was on uptrend around here, so you can see the breakout that happened here on the 4MA candles that turned the 4MA candle from a brown candle to a green candle. Okay, you can see it's right from here to this level. That is how many candles? That is 35 candles. You can imagine that. And let's check out the other way around. You can see the breakout that happened here to this level. You can imagine that that is 91 candles, guys. Okay, here are some breakout that supports the general trend, that is the sell trend. Okay, you can see the breakouts right from here to this level. That is 50 candles. So you can see many more like that, many more like that. Once it breaks out from the 4MA candle, you can come in and trade till the next exits, or till you are okay with what you have gotten. That is 13 candles. Okay, that is 13 candles. Then check out here the breakout that happened here. So this is about 35 candles. So you can use it to trade it successfully, most especially if the breakout is in support of the general trend. So guys, this is the first part of the training. I don't know why I've just been dishing out top class training in order for you to understand how to trade these assets successfully. Okay, we ended one yesterday, we've started a new one today, so I just want you guys to understand how to trade these assets successfully so that you too can milk the market just the way we have been milking the market. So if you are having this set up with you, then you can practice with what I have explained today using the 4 MA candles. Okay, each time the 4 MA candles turns from green to brown, it shows that the market is on uptrend, but once it turns from brown to green, it shows that the market is on, once it turns from green to brown, it shows that the market is on downtrend. Once it turns from brown to green, it shows that the market is on uptrend. So that is the way it works. Okay, so each time the price action, and it usually turn around where the price action is cutting across, either above or below the 4 MA candle. So once it's cut across it, then there will be change in the color, so you can decide to go into the market at that point following the exact color that comes out. Okay, the color will determine where you should go. Okay, and that is it. It is as amazing as that. I would advise you to try it out on 5 minute time frame or probably 15 minute time frame. You're going to enjoy it more. Okay guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember to join us again tomorrow for another edition on this, because we're going to continue from where we stopped today in tomorrow's video. Okay, so do not forget to join us tomorrow again so that you will understand how to go about it totally. Okay, and of course, like you all know, we usually have our $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash every night, so do not forget to join us on that also, so that you can learn how to analyze the market, because I'm going to be doing that live and direct, and you will be able to milk the market successfully with me or with the rest of us, just the way we have been doing that and showing positive results. Getting for positive results all this while, so that you too can join the train and also milk the markets with us. Okay, and of course, if you have any question at all, feel free to contact us. Our contact details are on the screen right now, and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away, and also turn on the notification bell to all notifications. That way you will always be notified whenever I upload a